Hello YouTube, I'm here with another cool piece of tech. One of my friend called Ashen has bought DJI Air S. So I asked him to bring it in without opening it to do an unboxing video for you guys. I'm also excited to see the drone, and I think it has arrived while we are talking. Let's go and see. So I got the package from Ashen, who came earlier with this bag. He gave me the bag and he was a little bit shy as he didn't know that I'm filming his coming. And here's the package. Holy moly! He has bought not only the drone itself but the Flymo combo version, and that's sick. This is the updated version of Air 2, and there are a few different options to its predecessor, which makes it worth buying the new model. But in short, with large 1-inch CMOS sensor, upgraded autonomous functions like master shots, and increased tracking and safety features, DJI Air 2S is an ultimate drone for aerial photographers and videographers. And the first question you will ask, how much are these costs? The basic package including the drone, one battery and the basic accessories kit cost 1700 Australian dollars at DJI store. But this Flymo combo has cost 2100 Australian dollars with many more things which we can see soon. And we'll see if this combo worth additional $400. I need to mention, this is not the only combo they have. They have another one kit cost lower than this Flymo combo. And there are another two combos pricier more than this one called Pro Combo and the Ultimate Combo. There's another model which comes with the DJI Smart Controller which cost around $3100, which we are not going to talk about in this video because if someone can pay that amount of money, then it's better to invest in a more advanced drone than this one for $3100. And my opinion, for value for money, I think Flymo combo is the one to go. Further ado, let's get my knife and rip this apart. So everything was packed in this bag which has a shoulder strap, and it feels premium to me. And to make the video a little bit short, I got everything out from this case and I put all on the table. Let's look at it. So here are all the things that was inside the box. So we'll go one by one. First of all, there are some documents, quick start guide, accessories user guide and warranty documents. We are not going to read all those things. These are some additional documents was inside the box. Sometimes it may or may not be in your package depending on which part you are living in this world. I am living in Australia, so they have included some rules and regulations to fly a drone in Australia, and there are a lot of it. And this will be a separate video. I will go through every licensing, the registration and everything for the drone you have to do. I will do it in a separate video, so keep subscribed so you won't miss the video. Next, there are a bunch of propellers came with the Flymo combo. To be exact, there are 12 I think. So all those in some kind of a packet saying A and B, so I will talk what for that later. I got rid of 4 of them and kept it for you to see. Then there's the USB cable. It's a USB Type-C cable, and there are 3 USB cables included. So 2 of them are here and one comes inside the remote controller in here, if you can see. This is USB Type-C to the older USB cable. It's for old Android devices, and this is the cable for iPhones to connect to the controller. And I have already fixed the USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which the newer Android phones, the Samsungs and everything comes with. Let's see what's inside this small box. So this one also only comes with the Flymo combo. If you go for the cheap option, it won't come with this box. So inside this you can find the ND filters. So there are 4 powers, 4, 8, 16 and 32. That's really handy. Then we have 3 extra batteries comes with the Flymo combo. So 2 of them are here and the other one comes inside the drone. It's in here. Next we have the power cable for the charging brick. Then the charging brick has to be plugged into this dock which can charge 3 batteries at once. You have to plug this part into here and that's it. Then if you want to charge a battery, you have to just put this in like this and press. If you want to see how much charge left, it's just one click. You can see like it's 4 dots means it's full charge. If it's half charge, it's like 2 dots only. And there are 2 left and right sticks to connect to the controller. So the original ones comes underneath the controller in here and here. So you have to take them out and screw it in here. I really appreciate DJI for including this one in the package. So what this does is, because you have a big battery inside the package, you can use this as a power bank. What you have to do is just plug it in here. And now you can see there are 2 USB ports in here. You can charge your phone, your controller, or anything you want from USB ports in here. So this comes really handy. We have 3 batteries in the package, so sometimes you want empty all 3 batteries, so you can use one as a power bank. Thumbs up for that, DJI. Now we have the controller, the drone itself, and the propellers. Let's see how to fix the propellers. Let's get these arms open and fix the propellers. One arm opening to a side and the other one just comes around underneath. When fixing the propellers on top of each arm, there are 2 types of propellers. One with a color code on top in orange and the other one without any marker. So same like that in arms also, there are orange marks on 2 of them across and no marks on the other ones. This time it's not a screw type one. You just have to put it in, press and rotate. So here all set, and just have to fly it and see how it works. There are a bunch of stickers all around the place that I just removed, and then you can see the gimbal cover in front. You just have to remove it before you fly, and now you can see the gimbal here. So it fixed and all ready to go. And just to show the size difference, I have bought one DJI Air Mini 2 as well. So this is from my friend Chaturanga. He has given it to me just to do this review. Thanks Chaturanga for this one. This is the size difference of both of them. So you can see how big is the Mavic Air 2S is. And between the Mini and the Air 2S, there is a color difference as well. The Mini 2 looks a little bit light than the Air 2S. I couldn't bring a Mavic Air 2, the previous model, to show what are the differences are. But when we look at it, the first difference is like you have 2 sensors in front. This one doesn't have with the Mavic Air 2, it's only this one. So what it does is, when the drone goes forward, these 2 are detecting the front obstacles. And that's the unboxing, guys. We'll join in another video to see how to fly this up and see how the footage looks like. Even with this smaller one, I checked if the footage was really nice, the 4K 30 frames per second. But now this one can record 4K 60 frames per second. That would be sick. If you haven't subscribed yet, just like and subscribe the channel. We are planning to bring so many cool videos for you guys. So stay tuned. Again, I'm Kevin from Channel 3K. Catch you in the next video. Until then, peace.